Hello everybody, and welcome to History Bite number 65, dated October 4th, 2020. I'm Walter, your mobile historian and blue-collar scholar. This History Bite is entitled The U.S. Bankruptcy Courts. The U.S. Bankruptcy Courts are Article 1 federal courts vested with the authority to hear bankruptcy cases. Ultimately, the U.S. Code vests that authority in the U.S. District Courts. However, the U.S. District Courts may refer such cases to the Bankruptcy Courts for adjudication, which is what happens in almost all circumstances. Bankruptcy courts thus sit in all 94 of the judicial districts in the United States. Bankruptcy cases may be heard on appeal by the U.S. District Courts or by a bankruptcy appellate panel, depending on the jurisdiction. The district court also retains the right to withdraw that referral of the bankruptcy cases to the bankruptcy court and may decide them themselves if they choose to do so. All right. Bankruptcy judges are appointed by the U.S. Court of Appeals with authority over the judicial district in which they sit. Thus, if the bankruptcy judge sits in the District of Maryland, they are appointed by the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fourth Circuit, in which Maryland is included. Bankruptcy judges go on to serve a 14-year renewable term. Bankruptcy judges do not have the prospect of life tenure unless they are elevated to an Article 3 court. The modern-day bankruptcy system in the U.S. stems back from 1978 with the Bankruptcy Reform Act, which bore its ultimate fruit in 1984. The Bankruptcy Court appoints trustees to handle Chapter 7 and Chapter 13 bankruptcy cases, which are the most common types filed. For the record, bankruptcy cases cannot be filed in state court. All right. And bankruptcy judges are, based on my experiences and what I have seen, very dedicated and hardworking people. So that about sums up the U.S. bankruptcy courts. If you have any questions, controversies, and whatnot, please leave them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for listening to this History Bite, and I'll talk to you at the next one. Take care.